Hey folk, today we will see how to convert binary number into the decimal number. So binary number is basically a 2-bit number, that is 0 and 1, as you can see, and the base of a binary is 2. And same for the decimal number, the basic digit has 0 to 9 value and the base of the decimal number is 10. So yeah, that's it. Now we will move to the question, that is 101111.1101 binary, and we need to convert it into the decimal. Okay, so guys, before starting solving this question, I would like to inform you that when you move from right to left, sorry, this is my mistake, for the number, then you increase the power of 2. That is, when you are moving from right to left, you need to increase 0 1 2, and for the point value it is vice versa. For example, when you are moving from left to right, you need to decrease the power of 2, that is 2 raised to minus 1, then 2, then 3, and yeah, you need to remember these 2 points to in order to solve the question. Now let's solve the question. Let's take an integer part first from the question. So that is 1 0 1 1 1 and 1. As we move from right to left, we need to increase the power of 2, as I have mentioned over here. So guys, please take a screenshot. So जैसे ही आप राइट टू लेफ्ट मूव करते हैं, आपको 2 की पावर इंक्रीज करनी है. Then 1 into 2 raised to 1. As we need to move from right to left, we need to increase the power. Now let's take third one, that is 1 into 2 raised to 2. Okay, then 1 into 2 raised to 3, then 0 into 2 raised to 4, then 1 into 2 raised to 5. So guys, 2 raised to 0, that is 1 into 1 equal to 1, 2 raised to 1 into 1 equal to 2, 2 raised to 3 into 1 equal to 8. So then 0, because when you multiply 0 by any number it is 0, then 2 raised to 5, that is 32 into 1, that is equal to 32. Okay, so you need to add them all correctly, so you will get the answer, that is equal to 47. So you need to write the 47 over there. We have completed, and our answer for the integer part is 47. Now let's move to the point part, that is 0.1101. So guys, in this case we need to do a vice versa, that when we move from left to right, we need to decrease the power of 2, as I have mentioned over here. So guys, जैसे आप लेफ्ट टू राइट मूव करते हो, आपको पावर डिक्रीज करनी है. सो वी विल टेक 1 first, 1 into 2 raised to minus 1, then 1 into 2 raised to minus 2, that I am decreasing the power of 2, then 0 into 2 raised to minus 3, then 1 into 2 raised to minus 4. So now solve this. 1 into 2 raised to minus 1, so we can write also by 1 by 2, that is 0.5. so we need to write 0.500. Now let's move 2 raised to minus 2 into 1, so we can also write 2 raised to minus 2 by 1 upon 2 raised to 2, that is 1 upon 4, that is equal to 0.2500. Okay, now the third one, that is 2 raised to minus 3 into 0, so I'm directly writing 0, as you all know that 0 multiplied by any number is 0, then 1 into 2 raised to minus 4, so 2 raised to minus 4, 1 upon 2 raised to 4, that is equal to 1 upon 16. With the help of the calculator you can also solve, and you will get 0.0625. Now again add them all correctly to find out the answer. As we add them, we will get the answer, that is equal to 0.8125. Okay, so for that point part, 0.1101, that is binary. We can also write 0.8125 decimal. So guys, now write the answer as well. That binary, that is 101111.1101 binary. So as from the result, that is 47 for the integer part and the 0.8125 for the point part, we can write it together as 47.8125. that is the decimal number, and we have converted the binary into the decimal, and this is our the final answer we get for the conversion. We have converted binary to decimal. Please like my video. If you have any doubt, then please write down in the comment box. I will surely answer your questions. So yeah guys, thank you so much.